Working mamas, I see you juggling it all. Work, kids, home, and I know how hard it can be. We all want to spend more time with our little ones, but need that income to keep things running, right? I felt the same way until I found a way to earn from home, guys. It's given me the freedom to be with my family more. Imagine this. No more rush hour, no more traffic, no more missing out on milestones, and finally being there for every precious moment. We all know that it's summertime, and all we want is to be there with our kids and enjoy the summer. Guys, I'm here to tell you it's possible. I'm living proof, and so are all these other mamas here. Look at all of this, guys. If you're dreaming of staying home but still need to bring in money, I can show you how. I can show you how to work 2 hours a day from your cell phone, making $300 to $900 of daily pay, guys. And you don't even need any experience. You don't need to be tech savvy. My program is going to teach you how to launch to profit within 7 days. And you can have the potential of earning 4 streams of income, guys. Imagine that. What will $300, $900 a day do for you and your family? So I am here, guys. I am here to help you. And if this sounds like you and you're ready to make a change for the betterment of you and your family, I want you to put yes in the comments, and I would love to share the same blueprint, the proven blueprint that has changed my life and is continuing to change many other moms' lives across the world, guys. Don't wait.